पेश करने का प्रयत्न किया है। माननीय चुनाव आयोग इसमें दलीलें सुन रही है। हमें आशा और विश्वास है कि न्याय की विजय होगी। इस प्रकार से, और एक और हमने बड़ा रोचक बिंदु बताया, कई सारे हलफनामे दिए गए हैं अजीत पवार जी के नाम से, लेकिन उनमें एक में भी ये शब्द नहीं है कि जो हलफनामा दे रहा है वो माननीय शरद पवार के विरुद्ध है। इसका मतलब हुआ कि मैं इनके पास गया, मैंने इनसे मांगा हलफनामा, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं अजीत पवार को लीडर मानती हूँ, लेकिन ये नहीं कहा कि मैं अजीत पवार के फैक्शन की समर्थन करती हूँ। किसके विरुद्ध में? शरद पवार के विरुद्ध। ये कहीं कहीं नहीं गया है, किसी हलफनामे में शरद पवार के विरुद्ध कुछ नहीं कहा गया है। झूठ मिथ्या प्रचार से इस प्रकार के हलफनामे लिए गए। तो ये चलेगी दलील, और हम आशा और विश्वास करते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द इसका एक निर्णय आएगा, और हम आशा और विश्वास करते हैं कि न्याय संगत होगा और हमारे पक्ष में होगा। Friends, I will ask my friends to speak in Marathi after 2 minutes in English. We have had the continuation of the hearing, which you know I have argued earlier, and I argued for almost 1.5 hours today. My colleague Mr. Kamath is arguing and will continue on Friday. I want to remind you that we have given a sample, I repeat, a very small sample of just under 9,000 affidavits, divided into 24 purple colored fraud categories. In my life, I have not seen so many diverse kinds of fraud. A man is dead, his affidavit is given. A person is a Zomato supplier, his affidavit is given. A person is an LIC agent, his affidavit is given, nothing to do with NCP. A person doesn't live in the district, their affidavit is given. Person is 10 years, 12 years, minor, their affidavit is given. Complete, shameless fraud. The second aspect is that not one of the affidavits submitted by the opposite side says a word against Sharad Pawar. Many of them say that we recognize Ajit Pawar as a leader, but not one affidavit is asked the question, in comparison to whom? In comparison to Sharad Pawar. Are you not supporting Sharad Pawar and supporting Ajit Pawar? Not one affidavit says so. Thirdly, we have shown that the Election Commission has the jurisdiction and should file a criminal complaint for such open forgery and fraud, which is their power under the IPC, and we have requested them to consider filing that. This is nothing but a afterthought. It is a non-maintainable, false, frivolous, vexatious petition. It should be dismissed at the threshold with costs against these people. Thank you very much.
अजीत पवार के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष पद को लेकर
Sorry, इनका मैं बता दूं आपको. Very strange thing happened that this gentleman is Pratap Chaudhary. Under the nose of the Election Commission, hearing is going on 26th of October. On 26th of October, under the nose of the Commission, the other side files an affidavit saying this man supports Ajit Pawar. He was shocked. He has filed an affidavit saying, I know nothing about this. I never supported Ajit Pawar against Sharad Pawar. I am a strong, staunch supporter of Sharad Pawar. The poor man comes to the commission. He files an affidavit. They are making a fool of people by making absolutely forged, false documents. And he's standing next to me. He's a very elderly, respectable man.
Founder member along with him.
And he is a founder member along with Sharad Pawar ji. He is in the national level NCP person with a post holding. They have no shame in taking his name and filing it in the Election Commission.
Thank you.
Mr. Chaudhary, Pratap Chaudhary.
Kuwar Pratap Singh Chaudhary.
इनका चेहरा है, आदमी है, नाम है, सब सामने खड़े हैं आपके.
I've been National Secretary of the party, President Delhi Pradesh
दुर्भाग्य की
also.
बात है, बहुत
I
दुर्भाग्य की बात है.
was observer of different states, all under my leader Sharad Pawar ji.
सर, अजीत पवार जी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष पद को लेकर आपने यहाँ पे बोला
हैं?
किस तरह से उन्होंने
ये काम कर लिया हमने. आपको बताना था हमने ये भी बताया कि अगर चुनाव के विषय में कोई झगड़ा है तो उससे सिंबल नहीं लिया जा सकता, गलत है। फ्राइडे
आजच्या सुनावणीनंतर शरद पवार गटाचे वकील अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी यांनी माहिती दिली। आजच्या दिवसभरातल्या कामकाजाची शरद पवार गटाचा दादा अजित पवार गटावर जो आक्षेप होता त्या संदर्भात त्यांनी माहिती दिलेली आहे। अनेक प्रतिज्ञापत्रांमध्ये अजित पवारांबाबत